Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Buell's Kitchen, and today is just going to be a casual vlog, and I just thought maybe I can share it with you, my shopping vlog. I just been to the Asian shop, and I just want to share you the prices and what are the things you get it in Ireland. So it's kind of an information video. There are plenty of shops around in Ireland, in Dublin. If you're living in Southside, there is one shop in Blackrock and one shop in Stillorgan, and there's one more shop in Bray, and there's one more shop in the city center as well. So once you cross the city, and you will find most of the Pakistani shops, and you will find food as well. So this shop name is Blackrock shop, and I just been there. It comes near the Blackrock market. So here you go, and I just thought maybe I can just show you what are the things you will get it in the Asian market. So first of all, I just want to share you the non-veg items, what you get it there. You will get varieties of fishes. You will get sea bream, sea bass and salmon fish, and also you will get prawns, and you will get sardine fish and also mackerel. And when it comes to beef meats, where you will get plain beef, and you will get with bone beef and mutton and chicken wings and all kind of varieties you will get it there. So here what I bought it today is I bought the salmon fish. Salmon fish is very good for your health. This is about 2 kilos I bought it. So per kilo it is about 9 euros. So I just paid about 18 euros. So they'll just, if you want it to be cleaned, and they will take off all the shell and they'll clean it and cut it and give it to you. I'll just show it to you, friends. There you are. So it's just a little bit watery. So this is about 2 kilos. So that's the salmon fish. And the next I bought is the chicken wings. I think chicken wings is 3 euros per kilo, friends. And it's very fresh. So I just bought 2 kilos, 1 kilo of chicken wings in each bag. So you can get it like this. And next what I bought is the beef. Here's the beef, that's about 1 kilo, and this is without bone. And the last thing what I bought is the beef with bone. You can make this soup, or you can make with vegetables, so you can have your own choice. So these are the meat things I bought it. So next we'll go to the vegetables. Now vegetables, actually, I like this coriander and the mint. So first thing what I buy is, all the time when I go there, I buy this mint. You will get a fresh mint. You can see this. Mint is very good for your health, friends. So I just got 2 of them. Looks like it's one mint is €1.99. So I got 2 mint and 2 coriander leaves. You can get it like this. Yeah, it's very fresh. And I got this curry leaves, and they'll pack it and they'll give you like this. This is about 2 euros. And the next thing is the spinach. This is fennel seed spinach. I don't know if I'm not wrong. So it's very good for your health. And yeah, you will get this methi, they'll say in Hindi. In Tamil, vendaya keerai they say. So that's the one I bought it. And the next one is the drumstick. Drumstick is one of my favorite vegetables. So whenever I go to Indian vegetable shop and I'll buy this, I say this is quite expensive because they're exporting from India, and they'll keep it fresh as well. So it is quite expensive. I say it's about 5 euros. And next one is the papaya. Papaya is, I think it comes from, this fruit is from, yeah, it's imported actually. They didn't write the name, but you won't get it in Ireland. So this is per kilo 5 euros. So I got one fruit. So that's papaya. The next is the brinjal. You will get this kind of brinjal here. You will get varieties of brinjal actually, but I prefer this. It's nice and good. Like if you make biryani, you can make a side dish in this. I bought about 1 kilo. And the next is the small onions. Small onions are very expensive here, friends. The small onions are very good when you make sambar. So this is about 1 kilo I bought. This is about €4.49. And the next is the amla, fresh amla. This is very, very good for your health. You can make juice, or you can make pickles, or you can make varieties of dishes in this amla. But I think the main thing is the juice. If you drink it, it's good for your health actually. So I bought that about 1 kilo. Next is the green chilies. I say it's too much here. Green chilies are very expensive. So I bought about 1 kilo green chilies, friends. And here is the, I don't know what you call in English, but this is in Tamil Pirkankai. It's very good if you make sambar. So I just bought one of this vegetable as well. Next is the lady's finger. Lady's finger is also very good for your health. So I bought this about 1 kilo. And this is, in Tamil they say kovakai. You can make this as a fry for side dish with steamed white rice, and it's very, very good for your health. So this is about 1 kg. The last thing is the coconut. You can get fresh coconut there. So I just got 2 coconuts. This is about, each is about €1. So that's 2 coconuts here. So the next thing is the cake, friends. As you can see, it's very, very nice. We got this for Christmas. That's dates and cashews. It's very healthy and it's very tasty. So I just got one more. And the next is the sesame oil. Sesame oil is very expensive here, friends. In Tamil they say nallanai, and this is about €7, friends. And the next thing is the cumin seeds. You can get small packets, and if you want you can go for a big one, half a kg, but I got the small ones. Here's the fenugreek seeds. It's very good for your health. It's called methi in Hindi, and in Tamil vendayam they say. So I got 1 packet, and another cumin seeds as well. And the next one is this black eye beans. So the beans and the pulses, all these things are very good for health, friends. So here, because of the cold weather, you have to soak it overnight. And if you soak it with warm water, the following day you can able to make curry with this. It's very healthy. So if you can come across this black eye beans, you can buy this. And also this is red kidney beans, and this also very, very healthy. And you can make curry, and you can put it with meat as well. It's very healthy. So I bought this as well. And here is the moong dal. Dals you can find all brands there, friends. East End, Era. So but I picked up East End, and it's very healthy. In Tamil they say pasi parupu. So that's the one here. And channa dal and tur dal and all, you will get it in the same brand. Next is the sambar powder, and I just picked up only one, Grandma's sambar powder. This is really good one. And the next one is Kerala mixture. I just picked up because I just thought maybe it looks nice on the picture. We need to try and see how it is inside. So that's it. And this is a pomegranate juice. Pomegranate is very, very nice. If you get it fresh, you can have it, and if you don't, you can buy one of this, and it's very, very healthy. And the next one is the dates. This is very expensive, friends. This dates, this is a premium quality. So this is about 900 grams. So I say it's from Saudi Arabia or somewhere from the Middle East. And it's a very fresh one, and it's about €12, but it's worth that, it's very good for health. This is the Kashmiri chili, friends. This chili actually, it's very good. It will give you a nice color for the curry. And if you want to make beef fry or chicken fry, you can soak this with a little bit of warm water, and you can grind it with masalas. So that's why I picked up one packet. And the last one is the poppy seeds. You can put it for any non-veg poppy seeds. Gasagasa they say in Tamil. So that one. I never tried this, friends. So this is going to be very new for me. So they said it's very good and it is quite expensive. It's about €3.99. So we'll just try and see how it is. And the last one is the soy sauce and the vinegar, friend. So if you want to make noodles or if you want to make Chinese dishes, you can use this, and it's very nice brand. So this is about €5, I believe. So that's it. So this is kind of a small information video, friends. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And if you want to follow my channel, please do write comments and just tell me what kind of videos you want, so that it's easy for me to post it. And thank you so much for watching my video, friends. And the total amount I paid about €160. So that's the bill I got it. So thank you so much for watching my video, friends. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we'll upload nice videos in the future. And please do like, share and comment. We'll see you in the next video, friends. God bless. Bye-bye.